Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. These are the free coaching classes for SSC, Polycet, and Tsrjc examinations 2025. Okay, and we are here for our chemistry session today. Our today's topic is classification of elements, the periodic table. Okay, let me quickly tell you the rules. As you know, since these are the practice sessions, so there will be questions related to the topic. And if you have any question, any query related to the topic, you can ask in the chat box. Okay. All the answers also you will write in the chat box. It is open for you now. Okay. So everyone is ready. Shall we start? Yes, make the session interactive, students. Answer more questions, as many as you can. And you will get only 20 seconds for every question. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, first question we have the order of electronegativity values of C, O, and F. That is carbon, oxygen, and fluorine is. And your options are number one, carbon greater than oxygen greater than fluorine. Option number two, carbon greater than oxygen less than fluorine. Option number three, carbon equals to oxygen equals to fluorine. Or is it option number four, carbon less than oxygen and less than fluorine? Okay. Hurry up, students. You have to tell the order of electronegativity values. You have only 20 seconds, students. The order of electronegativity values of chlorine, oxygen, and fluorine is okay. The correct answer for this question is option number four, carbon less than oxygen less than fluorine. Okay, fluorine has the highest electronegative value. As we, uh, move down the group, or you can say, yes, electronegativity increases across a period. That is moving from left to right. So here carbon is given, oxygen is given, and fluorine is given. That is why if we are moving from left to right, then electronegativity will increase. So fluorine, then oxygen, and then chlorine. So fluorine is the highest and carbon is the lowest in this condition. No. Next question. Eka aluminium is known as, and your options are number one, scandium, option number two, gallium, option number three, germanium, or is it option number four, boron? I want every one of you to answer, students. Please make the session interactive. Hurry up. These kinds of questions are very important, students, in the exams. Eka aluminium, Eka silicon. Okay. So please focus on these type of questions. Okay. Eka aluminium is known as. Okay. All right, students, your 20 seconds are over. And the correct answer is option number two, gallium. Okay, Lucky, you are correct. Option number two is the right answer for this question. Moving ahead, the formula of oxides and chloride of Eka silicon is, and your options are number one, ESO2, ESCl2, option number two, ES2O2 or ESCl, option number three, ESO2 and ESCl2, option number four, ESO or ESCl. Hurry up. For finding out these kind of formulas, you must know the valency, right? Then you can drive. Find out the formulas of eka silicon, eka uh, aluminium, anything. Hurry up, students. Your 20 seconds are running very fast. I want everyone to answer. Come on. Okay. All right, students, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number 3. Okay. ESO2 and ESCl2. Those who have selected option number 3 for this question, you all are correct, students. Those, okay. Next question. Which of the following is the limitation in Mendeleev's periodic table? By mistake, here I have typed is, this will be in, students. There is one typing error. Please ignore this. Okay. Which of the following is the limitation in Mendeleev's periodic table? And your options are number 1, anomalous pairs. Option number 2, similar elements are placed in separate groups. Option number 3, different elements are placed in same group. Or is it option number 4, all the above? Hurry up, students. Keep in mind you have very limited time to answer each question. Yes? Only 20 seconds are there. Quick. Okay. All right, students, revealing the correct answer now. That is option number 4. All the above. Okay. Lucky, you are correct. Jyoti, if you have answered answer number 4 for this question, you are also right. Well done. Okay, those who have selected option 4, you all are correct, students. Next question. Which of the following is not Doberener's triad? And your options are number 1, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Option number 2, lithium, sodium, or potassium. Option number 3, this is SE or TE. Okay, sulfur, selenium, or tellurium. Selenium or tellurium. Okay, option number 4, nitrogen, sodium, or potassium. Hurry up. Students, one more thing you need to keep in mind, that you should know the chemical formula of every element. Okay, along with their name, scientific name, that is also very important. Which of the following is not Dobryna's triad? Option number 1, ClBrI. Option number 2, Lina or K. Option number 3, SACNTE. Option number 4, NNA and K. Hurry up. Now, those who will reveal the correct answer, first, I'll reveal only their name, because in the chat box, your responses are quite good. So names are running very fast. I cannot take everyone's name. Okay, as I can see on my screen, Vishal, Aishwarya, you both have written option number 4. And yes, you both are correct, students. Well done. Okay, those who have selected option 4, you all are correct. The correct answer is N, nitrogen, Na, sodium, and K, potassium. Next question. Modern periodic table was constructed on the basis of, and your options are number one, atomic radius, option number two, atomic weight, option number three, atomic number, or is it option number four, atomicity? Hurry up, students. Modern periodic table was constructed on the basis of atomic radius, atomic weight, atomic number, or atomicity. Only 20 seconds to answer every question. Hurry up. I want every one of you to answer the question. I know you all have prepared very well. Students, you all are writing the answers so correctly. It's so impressive to see. Okay, revealing the correct answer for this question, and I'm so glad to tell you that all of you who have answered are correct. Option number three is the right answer. Aishwarya, Muhammad Mujib, Lucky, Vishal, and Neha, you all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. Which of the following property increases in a period from left to right? Okay, and your options are number one, atomic radius, option number two, oxidizing property, option number three, electropositive character, or is it option number four, reducing property? Hurry up, students, your 20 seconds are running very fast. Well done. Keep doing, keep answering like this, students. I'm so glad to see everyone is writing their answers very well. Which of the following property increases across a period or from left to right? Both are same. And your options are number one, atomic radius, number two, oxidizing property, number three, electropositive character, or is it option number four, reducing property? Okay, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number two, oxidizing property. Okay, those who have selected option two, you all are correct, students. Okay, oxidizing property increases in a period moving from left to right. Okay, next question. In a period, the atomic size from left to right increases, decreases, remains same, or initially increases and then decreases. This question is very easy. In a period, the atomic size from left to right increases, decreases, remains same, or initially increases and then decreases. Quick, students, quick. You all are doing great. All right. Vaishnavi is saying option number two. Neha is saying one. Aishwarya one. Vishal one. Chandu is saying three. There is a dilemma. Let me clear you this point, students. The correct answer is option number two. Vaishnavi, you are correct. Well done. Let me tell you why it decreases. Here we are talking about atomic size, right? Now you know that there is a nucleus, then there are orbits, right? Electrons are removing around it. Now, why the atomic size decreases? Because, you know, two electrons over here. Let me change the color for the electrons. Okay. Two electrons over here, right? Then you know that in this orbit there is a possibility of 8 electrons, right? But it can be 4, it can be 5, depends, right? Why the atomic size increases? And as the number of orbits will increase, what will happen? Again, the electrons will increase. All these electrons, they are attracted by this nucleus, right? So there is an inward force that is applying, which is nucleus holds all these electrons, right? So what happens when you will hold something and you will pull it inside? What will happen? These orbits will come closer and closer, right? Due to this attraction, and due to that only, because as we move from left to right, number of orbits increases, number of you can say electrons increases, protons increases. So there is, you know more attraction inwards, right? Because protons are in the nucleus and electrons are outside in the orbit. So there, and you know that opposite charges always attract each other. So these protons will attract the electrons, hence this will decrease the size of the atom. Understood? So atomic size on moving from left to right in a period decreases. The correct answer is option 2. Next question. Which of the following pair of atomic numbers indicates the elements of S block? And your options are option number 1, 11 and 13, option number 2, 10 and 12, option number 3, 11 and 12, option number 4, 8 and 9. You should be very well aware of characteristics of S block elements. What are characteristics of S block elements? Hurry up. Which of the following pair of atomic numbers indicate elements of S block? 11, 13, 10, 12, 11, 12, 8 and 9. Hurry up, students. You have very limited time. Okay. Students, the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Srinivas. Vimala Srinivas, you are correct. Well done. And those who have selected option 3, those all are correct. On my screen, yours name is, appearing first. That's why I've taken your name. But those who have selected option 3 for this question, they all are correct students. Okay? Why these two numbers, they represent the S block? Because they are the elements of group 1 and 2. That is why. Yes, their valency is 1 and 2. Next question. Ionization of energy of nitrogen is higher than ionization energy of oxygen. This is due to, and your options are number 1, decrease in atomic radius, option number 2, increase in atomic radius, option number 3, stable electronic configuration, or is it option number 4, completely filled orbitals? What is the electronic configuration of nitrogen and oxygen in SPDF form? If you know this, then you will be able to do this question very easily. Yes, electronic configuration of nitrogen is what? 1s2. Then we have 2s2 and we have 2p3, right? This is the electronic configuration of nitrogen. This is two students. And then we have oxygen. Oxygen is what? 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4, right? 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Now, as you know that this nitrogen is having what? More stable electronic configuration. Why? Because in the p orbital there are 3 electrons, and this will be more stable. And option number in this oxygen, they have in p orbitals they have 4 electrons. These are half filled orbitals. These are partial filled orbitals, right? And we know that half filled orbitals are always more stable than the other elements. That is why the correct answer will be option number 3, stable electronic configuration. And while nitrogen is having more stable electronic configuration because it is having half-filled orbitals. Any element having the half-filled orbitals, they will be more stable than the corresponding elements, you can say. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Next question, students. Atoms with small size have, and your options are option number 1, high ionization energy. Option number 2, great tendency to lose electrons. Option number 3, more electropositive. Or is it option number 4, less electron affinity values? Atoms with small size have high ionization energy, great tendency to lose electrons, more electropositive, or less electron affinity values. Hurry up, students. Okay. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, high ionization energy. Why high ionization energy? You know that the outermost electrons are more closer to the nucleus, and as I told you, hence they will attract more stronger cores, making it harder to remove any electron. That is why it is having the high ionization energy. Not So those who have selected option number 1, you all are correct. Lucky, Neha, you all are correct. Chandu is also right. Well done, students. Those who are answering the questions wrong also, do not worry, students. These are only your practice sessions. Make a note of all these questions because these are very important questions from your exam point of view, right? These types of questions are often being asked. So, no worries if you are wrong here. You should not be wrong in your exams, all right? Prepare these questions. For that, you can always refer to our previous videos also. Next question. Boron predicted by Mendeleev's is means you have to tell the name of the element boron, and your options are option number 1, gallium, option number 2, scandium, option number 3, germanium, or is it option number 4, tellurium? Students, if you are not getting any point, please let me know in the chat box. I'll explain you that point. Okay? Boron predicted by Mendeleev is gallium, scandium, germanium, or tellurium. Hurry up, students. Quick, students, your time is running very fast. All right, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number 2, scandium. Sanjana, Neha, Chandu, Vaishnavi, you all are correct, students. Well done. Excellent. Those who have selected option 2, you all are correct. I won't be able to take everyone's name, students. Don't be sad, okay? And don't feel bad also. Those whoever's name is appearing on the screen first, I am just taking their names, all right? Next question. Electron affinity of halogens are in the order. And your options are number 1, fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than boron, greater than iodine. Option number 2, boron greater than chlorine, greater than fluorine, greater than iodine. Option number 3, chlorine greater than fluorine, greater than iodine, greater than boron. Option number 4, chlorine greater than fluorine, greater than boron, greater than iodine. Hurry up. Hurry up, students. Quick. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number 4. And Neha, Ramcharan, Vaishnavi, you all are correct, students. Well done. Chlorine greater than fluorine, greater than boron, greater than iodine. This is the order of electron affinity of halogens. Next question. The element with least electronegativity amongst the option. And your options are number 1, sodium, option number 2, carbon, option number 3, fluorine, or is it option number 4, cesium? The element with the least electronegativity, sodium, carbon, fluorine, or cesium? Hurry up. You all are doing great, students. Keep doing like this. I'm so glad to see your responses. Hurry up. Quick, students. Few more seconds left. I want those who haven't answered yet, they all to answer. Okay, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is, okay, option number 4, cesium. Okay, those all who have selected 4, you all are correct students. Option number 4, cesium is the least electronegative element amongst these options. Okay, next question. In a long form of periodic table, the block which consists of non-metals is, and your options are number 1 S, option number 2 P, option number 3 D, or is it option number 4 F? In a long form of periodic table, the block which consists of non-metal is S, P, D, F. We are talking about non-metal students. The correct answer will be option number 2P. Okay. Those who have selected option 2, you all are right students. The correct answer for this question will be P block. P block elements are that non-metals, S block, alkali metals. Yes. Option, sorry, next question. Elements of this group in the modern periodic table possesses highest electropositive character. And your options are number 1, first A group, option number 2, second A group, option number 3, seventh A group, or is it option number 4, eighth A group? Elements of this group in the modern periodic table possesses highest electropositive character. First A group, second A group, seventh A group, or eighth A group. What is electropositive character, students? How many of you are clear with this term? Electropositive character means the element's tendency to lose electrons and form positively charged ions. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option number 1, first A electrons. Okay, well done students. Sanjana, Srinivas, Ramcharan, Aishwarya, you all are correct students. Well done. Keep doing like this. Keep answering the questions like this. I have explained you the term electropositive also. Next question. Now tell me, most electropositive element is, and your options are magnesium, option number 2, beryllium, option number 3, calcium, or is it option number 4, strontium? Means the tendency to lose the electrons, how fast they can lose their electrons. So, most electropositive element. For finding out this, what you should know? You should be aware of the valency. Yes or no? Come on, students, you have very limited time. Hurry up. Most electropositive element is magnesium, beryllium, calcium, or strontium. I can see there is a dilemma in this answer. You all are confused. Students, the correct answer will be option number 3, calcium. Why? Because it is having only valency. Calcium is having what is the valency of calcium, students? Can anyone tell me? Most electropositive element is magnesium, beryllium, calcium, or strontium. The correct answer will be what? Calcium. Next question. Yes, 6 is the valency. Next question. Mention the element of the atomic number which shows least ionization potential. And your options are 20, 11, 10, or 30. Mention the element of atomic number which shows least ionization potential. 20, 11, 10, or 30. Hurry up. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number 2, students. Okay, 11 is, option number 2 is the right answer for this question. It shows the least ionization potential. Next question. Element with highest electron affinity. And your options are number 1, beryllium, option number 2, iodine, option number 3, chlorine, or is it option number 4, fluorine? Element with highest electron affinity. Beryllium, iodine, chlorine, or fluorine. Come on. Elements with highest electron affinity. The correct answer is chlorine. Okay, those who have selected option 3, Vaishnavi, Sanjana, you all are correct students. Well done. Next question. The element with highest electronegativity. And your options are number 1, iodine, option number 2, fluorine, option number 3, oxygen, or is it option number 4, sodium? The element with highest electronegativity. Iodine, fluorine, oxygen, or sodium. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number 2, fluorine. Ramcharan, Lucky, Vaishnavi, you all are correct students. Well done. Next question. According to the modern periodic table, the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their. And your options are number one, atomic size, option number two, atomic weight, option number three, atomic number, or is it option number four, atomic valency? Quick, students. Electronegativity means the tendency of an electron to, uh, you can say, gain the electron. Okay. It is a chemical property that measures like how the atom is attracting any electron, how much quickly it is attracting. That is known as electronegativity. Why electronegativity? Because when any uh, element gains the electron, there the charge of the electron on that element increases, right? If suppose you can say chlorine is there, right? It will gain one electron, then its charge will be Cl minus, right? You can say minus 1. Minus 1 means what? It has gained one electron. This is known as the electronegativity, the tendency of an electron to attract of an element to attract any electron. Understood? Yes, students, those who have answered atomic number for this question, you all are correct. Well done. Next question. An example of for Dobrynin's triad from the following is, and your options are lithium, sodium, potassium. Option number two, sodium, neon, calcium. Option number three, sodium, boron, argon. Option number four, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Come on, students. Example for Dobrynin's triad from the following. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number one. Lithium, sodium, and potassium. Yes, Muhammad Mujib, Vaishnavi, Sudhakar Reddy, you all are correct, students. Okay, students, that's all for today's class. We will meet super soon in the next class with the new topics. All right, till then, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is Jatadhara Educational Technology. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.